3. Wanted to work on my vlog tonight, but I've got a slight problem with my shoulder. This part of my shoulder for about 5 months now, and my husband was so kind as to massage me tonight, and he made me promise not to crawl behind the computer tonight. So it's hard. I do so many things on the laptop. So I decided to make this little intro to the vlog, and as you can see, just came out of out of the bathtub, and no makeup, wet hair. I'm sorry. Already got my PJs on. No, they might not look like PJs, but as I said in my first vlog, I really like warmth. Today was a very warm day in the Netherlands. It was about 30 degrees, and it's very humid warmth. I'll look up what 30 degrees is in Fahrenheit. And but I sleep with a sweater, and I really put the hood on when I go to sleep. Underneath my sweater, I've got a t-shirt, and mine is falling apart, but it's from the Dutchers, where we went in 2006, and I actually don't want to throw it away until we go there again. I really want to go to LA again. Been there in 2005 with our honeymoon, 2006 when I was pregnant with my first, and that was the last time. But I'm not sure if the shirt will make it, because it's already really falling apart, like really falling apart. So, but I still use it as a slip shirt, and I got some, sweatpants, more like legging sweatpants, and warm socks. So, yeah, and then I crawl under a blanket. So a lot of people think I'm crazy, which I probably am, but I just like to be warm. So the climate here is not my kind of thing, but I think you already understood that. Anyway, this week I said we would go boating on Monday, which we did, and that was kind of a weird boat ride, because we went for a boat ride, and for about 10-15 minutes we went to the other side of a big lake, and then the engine fell off. It really fell off. It was a shocker. It was like, what? And luckily my husband was able to get it again, since it was still connected to the boat by the engine. I'm not sure how you call it, but the thingy that petrol go through to the engine. So and we drifted to the shore, but not on a place where we could go ashore or anything. So we had a huge problem, and luckily some people were kind enough to tow us to the other side of the lake, to the boat ramp, and we could get the boat on the trailer again. And the last little piece of the boat ride, to get it to the ramp, last few meters, I had to jump in the water and swim with the boat. And my third, who will turn 6 next week, kind of filmed that, but that was such bad footage that I cannot use it. I could show you, but you can hardly see me jump overboard, and you can see my hands, and that's just too bad. Anyway, that was like a weird experience. It was unusual. It was an adventure, but not the kind of adventure we'd want. The engine is now back in the shop, and we're kind of in debate who's to blame, because they put the engine on and everything shouldn't be able to fall off like that. But anyway, it will be repaired, but then, we have to be really sure that this won't happen again, because if it will, it's the safety of the kids. So that was one of the adventures we had this week. We did a lot of things, and today we went to a very special region here. Well, region, yeah. It's like a natural park, and which is called the Soesterduinen, which is really weird, because in the middle of the forest there are dunes, like really sand dunes. It looks like you're in the dunes, but then it's in the middle of the forest. It's kind of like Death Valley, although Death Valley doesn't have a forest. So, well, it was great fun. The kids loved it. They'd never seen it. I'd seen it once, I think about 18 years ago. So it was a lot of fun. And before we went there, we ate some pancakes at a pancake farm. Yes, that's what they're called here. Pancake farms. That's where you eat pancakes. Of course, they don't. Well, this farm also has some animals, but all the others don't. But it's just called that. Pancake farm. Pannenkoekenboerderij. So I'll just show you some footage of the stuff we did this week. I'll try to put it together tomorrow or Saturday or Sunday. Well, not sure, we don't know since I won't post this before it's put together. But I'd love to hear what you want to see. I mean, it's Netherlands. We ride bikes. We do a lot of crazy stuff. And is there anything you want to see? Anything you want to know? Please let me know, and I'll see if I can put it in one of my vlogs. Preferably show you stuff, do it myself, or at least give you an explanation. Okay, I really love this vlogging, and so if you like it, if you want to know more about the Netherlands, more about me, more about my strange habits, please subscribe to this channel and be sure to post in comments what you want to see, what you want to hear, and I'll try to provide things. And if you like this one, just I'll add a really short video of us riding bikes, or at least you won't see me, but you'll see my kids and husband ride the bike. That was 16 kilometers on mainly cycle paths and bike roads. So that's very Dutch. We ride our bikes a lot, and for now, well, don't ride those distances much anymore, but we do with the kids. And so we went 16 kilometers to Bird Park, and 16 back is 32, and our third, who will turn 6 next Friday, he rode for the first time, and he did it very well, so we were very proud of him. But the thing is that it's pretty safe, since, you know, if you really like a bicycle roads, and there's no cars anywhere near, and the bike lanes, well, they're kind of safe. I mean, cars know there are bikes, and it works pretty well. So really short footage. You'll see us on a real bicycle path. Okay, one last thing, just saw an incredible vlog post by Tiffy and her husband Mario on Dutch Candy. They're great vloggers whatsoever, but this one is especially good since, you know, it's about the Netherlands, where I'm from, and what they say about the candy is just so good. Be sure to watch it. I'll add the link